In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your WooCommerce shop page efficiently. Whether you're just installing WooCommerce for the first time or looking to make some adjustments, setting the correct shop page is an essential step to getting your online store up and running smoothly. Now, when you first install WooCommerce, it automatically creates a default shop page for you. However, there might be instances where you want to assign a different page or need to make some adjustments. Let's go through how to do this, step by step, so you'll feel confident managing your own shop page. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic happens, and where you can control almost every aspect of your website. In the menu on the left, look for the WooCommerce tab. It might be a few options down, so take your time finding it. Once you click on WooCommerce, you'll see a list of different settings. For today's task, we want to focus on the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings, and then you'll be presented with several tabs across the top. Our focus is specifically on the Products tab, so click on that. In the Products section, you'll find various options for managing your items, but today, we're specifically interested in the part labeled Shop Page. What you'll see here is a drop-down menu that lets you select which page you want to designate as your shop page. You might want to change this, for instance, if you've already created a custom page or if you didn't like the default layout. Simply click on the drop-down, and you'll see a list of all the pages you have created on your WordPress site. Now go ahead and choose the page you've prepared to serve as your shop. If you've not created a specific page yet, you might want to open a new tab. Quickly do that and make it pretty. Once you've selected the desired page from the drop-down menu, you're almost done. Before leaving this page, be sure to save your changes. You'll find the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page, so scroll down and give it a click. This step is crucial as it solidifies your selection and ensures that the changes are applied to your live site. That's it. You've successfully assigned or changed your WooCommerce shop page. Your online store is now linked to the proper page you want to display to your customers. Remember, having a clear and appealing shop page can make a big difference in customer experience and sales. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your WooCommerce store. Have a great day, everyone!